Imagine being accused of a crime and your fate decided by a trial where the accused had to hold a red-hot iron. Welcome to medieval Europe's brutal justice system, known as trial by ordeal. Back in the Middle Ages, courts weren't like today. They believed divine intervention would reveal the truth. So, if someone was accused of theft or witchcraft, they might have to grab a burning iron or plunge their hand into boiling water. If the wound healed cleanly after a few days, they were considered innocent, if not guilty. Sounds crazy, right? But it was taken seriously. This wasn't just about punishing criminals. It was about appealing to God as the ultimate judge. Different ordeals existed: walking over hot coals, being submerged in water, or even carrying a red-hot poker. The logic? God would protect the innocent from harm. One famous case involved a woman accused of poisoning in 13th century England. She had to carry a red-hot iron, and when her hand blistered badly, she was found guilty. These ordeals were terrifying and often deadly. People sometimes suffered severe burns, infections, or even death as a result. Yet, the fear of divine punishment and the hope for divine justice made these trials widely accepted at the time. Over time, people began to question the fairness and reliability of these tests. By the 13th and 14th centuries, legal systems started moving toward evidence-based trials, relying more on witness testimony, physical evidence, and rational procedures. The ordeals gradually faded away, replaced by the foundations of modern justice we recognize today. This strange chapter in justice history shows how humans have struggled to find fairness and truth in law. It reveals the deep human desire to trust in something higher when deciding right and wrong, especially when evidence is scarce or unclear. It also reminds us how far our justice system has come, evolving from superstition and fear to reason and due process. Imagine what it would be like if justice today still relied on divine signs instead of facts. Would we trust our courts, or would fear rule the day? Thankfully, our legal systems have moved toward fairness, transparency, and respect for human rights. But studying these ordeals helps us appreciate the complex journey toward justice throughout history.